Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to insert pictures in Microsoft Excel. So easy and quick way. Select any cell where you want to insert, like here, then insert and you will see this one, illustrations. Click on this drop down and select here pictures, device, insert pictures from your computer. Now select your folder where you have the pictures like desktop downloads, documents or pictures. Then select it. Here you can make changes to your picture. You can resize. You can drag and drop by pressing Alt key. So press and hold Alt key and drag and drop this picture anywhere in your Excel sheet. One thing more you can try. You want to resize your Excel cell as your picture size. Make any cells and touch your picture with this cell's border. Like this. Keep something inside. Keep some parts of so roughly resize this cell. Now right click on it and size and properties. Now click here. The properties. Select this first option. Move and size with cells. Now click anywhere. Now try to resize this cell. You will see your picture is automatically resized. To remove this effect, right click on it and size and properties and select this one. Move but don't size with cells. And also you can select this one. Don't move or size with cells. And click anywhere. So you can move anywhere. Here you can see the alt text. So view alt text. You can enter your desired alt text for this picture. To make changes to this picture, double click on it and here some styles and effects you can apply for this picture. Anyway, like this. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can insert pictures in your Excel worksheet.